Hey there! It's time for packing Christmas present, isn't it? Some people hate it, some people love it. I quite like it. I think a nice wrapping adds so much to the whole experience of getting and giving presents, so I try to make sure they're always nicely packed. This year, instead of using a tape, I decided to use my sewing machine. I want to sew the presents closed inside the wrapping paper to add that fun, maybe a little confusing element to it. My gifts this year are sets of small random shaped things, and I think it's gonna be easier to pack them this way than the usual way, and I hope it's not gonna take too long, so let's just start. I'm gonna use only pretty basic things like wrapping paper. I think the more basic one the better, so all the stitches are visible. And I'm also gonna use scissors and my sewing machine, of course, with a thread in some contrasting color to make it visible. And then I'm gonna attach the tags that I did in one of my previous videos, the cross stitch tags. So if you want to add even more crafty elements to your wrapping, then check this out and consider also making them. So first I'm taking my gifts and I'm gonna place them on the paper and cut two identical rectangles with a pretty big allowance to make sure that they would fit my gifts. And also we need a seam allowance, of course. Then I'm gonna make a 1 centimeter or half an inch hem approximately, and I'm just gonna fold it. And now it's time for sewing. I'm gonna start at the one long side, secure my stitch, and then go all the way to the end. At the corner, I'm gonna put my needle in the paper, then lift the presser foot and turn the paper. When it comes to the last side, I'm putting my gifts inside and then sew it closed, making sure I don't accidentally sew through the gifts. And it's done. Now I'm just gonna make a hole in the corner and attach my tag. And the present is all ready to go under the Christmas tree. Of course, you can put a ribbon like in a regular way. I'm gonna do this with some of my gifts. Or you can just play around and make two holes. So you put a ribbon through two holes and make a bow at the top. And that's it, that's the end of my super simple and quick tutorial. As you've seen, it's very easy to make and I'm sure everyone will like it. I hope they will maybe be a little bit confused and hesitant if they should just tear it apart. And Christmas is so close, I hope you all have a great time waiting for it, and I wish you all Merry Christmas. I hope you will have the best time, eat great food and relax. That's what Christmas is for, isn't it? And I hope I will see you all after the holidays, and I think that's it for today, so see you in the next one. Bye!